Want a simple way to strengthen lips and build speech sounds? It's soothing, silly, and secretly powerful for speech. This activity builds lip strength and coordination while connecting movements with sounds. It's great for early speech sounds like and b. We call it the lip lock challenge. Ask your child to press their lips together and hold the sound for 5 seconds. Repeat the hold 3 times, letting them take a short break between each one. You're helping them build both strength and sound awareness. If your child releases too quickly, remind them to keep lips pressed, not too tight but just firmly. You can hum along together to keep it light and relaxed. This is a great warm-up before saying words like mama, milk or more. Try doing it as a silly sound game during playtime or in the car. That may sound simple, but it's the start to big speed milestone. Keep going.